So a couple days ago, we watched the breaks tap, and Hawaii gets some pretty good waves up here on this side of the islands, and then act like a wave break when the Pacific started rushing this way. Notice it's stacking up against the west coasts of the world. The entire globe is getting high tides on the west coasts, not on the east coasts, as if everything was tapping on the brakes. This went away after a little while, but you can see the contouring and everything. Everything's filling up on the west coasts of the globe. We're talking some significant difference. Significant difference. Not something small. Most assuredly not because there's a hurricane around anywhere that we were just looking at. Oh, and these fires are not hot spots. The entire fucking globe is on fire.
Holy cow. Sorry.
See this guy? Some are worried that the high waves on the west coast is a sign of something. Nope, hurricane season. Since when does the ocean rise on the west coasts of the world because hurricane season? Lee, you literally swear to God, people, look, you have to look at this. He has you laying on your fucking back. After denying it for fucking 2 years, oh, the moon isn't doing cartwheels. This motherfucker has a video laying on your back, doing circles in the fucking front yard to make the moon stop doing a cartwheel. That's some desperate shit, dude. That's some desperate fucking shit. You need to shut the fuck up. Your mom's a cum guzzling fucking gutter whore. And she should have spat your ass out, you fuck. You sit here sucking dick of fucking billionaires all day, pressing lies. It never makes it the truth. You have fucking playlists that you say 90 videos over here proving me wrong. But you have to lay on your back, dude, and do circles to view the moon to keep it from doing cartwheels. Look at you. Look at you. You're a fucking drunken idiot. You're a fucking drunken idiot. And anybody that listens to you deserves the horribly painful, long, drawn out fucking death they're gonna get, dude. Fuck you and fuck every bit of your fucking fuck you. Think that's mad enough? Oh shit, I forgot to hit the button.
Gonna fuck your mom tonight. Gonna fuck your mom. Gonna fuck your mom. Gonna fuck your mom tonight. And I know the world
Las Vegas just got 1.5 inches of rain in 3 hours. Big old storm.
Gonna fuck your mouth. Gonna fuck your mouth. Gonna fuck your mouth tonight. Pussy so tight. And an ass that's so nice.
Talk about your mom, Lee. I like these guys. Look, man, there ain't no fucking corn and there ain't no goddamn grass to feed the cows. They're having to fucking sell them off to people. Anybody buying a cow, dude. Anybody could buy a fucking cow. You don't have to go to the grain fucking lot. They are selling their fucking cows off. They like forced to sell their cows because they ain't no motherfucking grain. They ain't no motherfucking grass. You can take your GMO motherfucking farmer across the street there that you suck his dick and shove it in your ass. And fuck your mom. Drought, wildfires, forcing cattle ranchers to sell off their cows. farm selling cows because they ain't got no motherfucking grain, bitch. More Canadians facing hunger. Canada is facing a terrible food crisis, says Maple Leaf CEO. You know who says they don't? Lee. Lee says that they have no food problems in fucking Canada. That's what Lee says. He calls me a liar, calls me names every morning. Every morning I wake up, I'm a different name. I'm a different kind of narcissist every motherfucking morning. It gets old, Lee. You got yourself laying on your back, you stupid motherfucker, doing circles trying to make the moon stop doing cartwheels that you say it isn't doing. You dumb motherfucker. Who the fuck let you speak? Jesus Christ, man. They gotta pay you good, right? They gotta pay you fucking good. You're just a little fucking do it boy. You go do it, boy. You're doing it real good. Las Vegas, New Mexico declares emergency with less than 50 days of clean water supply left. That was New Mexico. Yeah, it's been on fire. These are the things that I was reporting on, and Lee was saying they were hot spots. Huh. Looks like fire and flood. Flood and fire. Remember, they were just burning too. Flood and fire everywhere. Vegas and Vegas. Vegas, flood and fires. These are not hot spots. These are people suffering because they listened to Scientific Lee. Every one of these motherfuckers listened to Scientific Lee. And they was like, oh, everything's just fine. Oh, that flooding, that ain't happening here. Them hot spots. No, that's just hot spots. It's just hot spots. That's not burning every goddamn thing in the fucking world. Hell no. Lee's right. See what happens when you listen to Lee? You die. And since 2014, I've been saying Pelosi trip to Taiwan heightens risk of accident and triggers in China and the South Chinese Sea. Russia and Ukraine and North Korea, just because they can, will launch in tandem. Mm-hmm. You have 20 minutes when you hear that announcement. The UN is speaking out against North Korea's nuclear threats. Against, oh yeah, North America. For 2 days, they've been like, we're gonna nuke you. I warned you. You know, Lee, I thought your name might be Clive, because Clive came over here for an hour telling me how I was wrong. And I was like, Clive, how am I wrong? How am I wrong, Clive? You just over here bothering me, Clive. You just bother me. And I told him, I said, if you don't shut up, man, I'm going to fucking block you. I'm going to block you, Clive. I'm going to block you. Then he wants to know how much I made from my subscribers. I said, suck my dick. I don't even monetize or fucking commercialize. And then says, nobody is right all the time. Nobody is right like you all the time. This guy's been watching me for years. He's mad at me because I'm right all the time. Clive got blocked. Lee, you've been blocked. You block everybody that comes over there and makes any sense on your page. You're a drunken fool, fucking spinning around circles on your back trying to make the moon stop rolling. Giving people bad advice, causing them death and pain and suffering. You suck, dude. Lee, this is you tomorrow, man.
You call me shallow. Do you think I'm shallow?
I don't think you're shallow. I think you got something wrong. You're just emotionally completely disconnected. I mean, I don't orgasm thing. I mean, it's not my fault you can't come. I've tried everything, you've done everything, and you're just emotionally frigid. You're physically frigid. Like, I leave the light on in a room and you freak out. You're not.
See, Lee, I've tried everything, man. I tried the pink tutu, tried to offer you $1,000 to bring me a link, and you just won't do it. Now, that's it. All stops out, buddy.
How do you feel about kids?
I'm just gonna fuck your mom.
Sight unseen.
Promise. Yo. Come get breakfast, Lee. Oh. Oh, hi, Mom.
I just thought she was like so fucking cute for a mom, you know? And I guess I got a little older and I grew up a little, and I guess she grew up a little too, and boy, your mom ages like a fine wine, doesn't she? So the other day, me and your mom actually went out to this really good seafood dinner, and I treated her to the works, you know, I treated her like a princess because your mom deserves it, and then, after that, I took your mom home, and I bent her over my desk, and I fucked the shit out of your mom, and God, she fucking loved it.
Lee. Oh my God, get off your back, man. You're choking on your vomit. Stop doing circles trying to make the cartwheel of the moon. Stop. It ain't gonna, but I'm gonna fuck your mom.